You have been conditioned to believe that your biology is your destiny, that you are trapped by the genes you inherited and the chemistry you cannot control. But what if I told you that you carry the keys to your own internal pharmacy, right inside your brain? What if your brain does not know the difference between an event happening in the outer world and an emotion you have created internally through thought alone? Today, we are going to stop being a victim of our circumstances and start being the architect of our biology. We are stepping into the field where thought becomes stronger than matter. Welcome to the process of healing. Welcome to the present moment. Begin by finding a comfortable position, closing your eyes, and withdrawing your energy from the external world. Disconnect from your body, the people in your life, the objects you own, and the places you have to go. Become no one, no body, no thing, in no place, and in no time. Become a pure consciousness. Inhale slowly and deeply. Feel your analytical mind relax. We are moving out of survival, out of high beta brain waves, and into the alpha state. The door to your subconscious mind is now opening, allowing you to communicate directly with your autonomic nervous system. Bring your awareness to the space that your head occupies in space. Feel the volume that your head occupies in the vast empty void. Sense the space that your neck occupies in space. Feel the space behind your neck and the space around your shoulders. The more you focus on empty space, feel the space that your chest occupies in space. Sense the volume of your heart. Sense the space inside your arms, all the way to the tips of your fingers. Feel your awareness expanding beyond the boundaries of your skin, merging merging with the space that surrounds your body in the room. Now, as you are immersed in this infinite stillness, imagine your consciousness entering the very interior of your cells. Imagine the space inside your body as a vast universe in miniature. In this moment, your intention is beginning to change your internal chemistry. Instead of sending signals of stress and fear, we are beginning to send signals of healing and repair. Every breath you take brings vital energy from the quantum field directly into your organs, your tissues, and every strand of your DNA. Your autonomic nervous system, that inner master of healing, is now receiving your command. It knows how to fix what is broken. It knows how to balance what is out of alignment. Rest in this state of pure potency, for we are about to begin the process of emotional transformation. Now, as you drift deeper into this quantum blackness, I want you to let go of the old image of your body. Let go of the pain, the diagnosis, and the limitations you have carried for so long. In this void, there is no past. There is only the eternal now. It is here that you can begin to signal new genes in new ways. I want you to think of a specific area in your body that needs healing, or perhaps your body as a whole. Do not see it as it is. See it as you want it to be. Imagine every cell in that area beginning to glow with a brilliant, coherent light. Your autonomic nervous system is now taking that light and using it to restore order, balance, and wholeness. Feel the energy shifting. But for this healing to be complete, you must marry your clear intention with an elevated emotion. You cannot ask for healing place of lack. You must feel the gratitude of being healed now. I want you to call up the emotion of joy, of appreciation, or the sheer relief of being whole again. Teach your body emotionally what it feels like to be completely healthy, vibrant, and alive. Breathe that emotion into your heart. Let it expand until it fills the entire room. You are up-regulating your genes and down-regulating the genes of disease. You are becoming a new person in a new body. As you hold this high-frequency state, let these affirmations sink deep into your subconscious mind, rewriting your internal software. I am a magnificent being of light, and my body is a temple of perfect health. Every cell in my body is now vibrating at the frequency of divine wholeness. I am signaling new genes in new ways to create a vibrant and resilient body. I release all past patterns of disease and embrace the infinite potential of healing. My autonomic nervous system is perfectly balanced. I am worthy of a life filled with energy, vitality, and strength. The power that made my body is now the power that is healing my body. I move beyond my environment, beyond my body, and beyond time, to the source of all life. I am grateful for my miraculous recovery and my renewed sense of well-being. I am whole. I am healthy. And I am free from the weight of my past. My immune system is strong, intelligent, and perfectly protects my physical form. I trust the infinite wisdom of the quantum field to manifest my perfect health now. Rest in this feeling of being new. You are no longer the same person who sat down to meditate. You have changed your energy, and therefore have changed your future. Notice the stillness. Notice the peace. This is the state of receivership. The more you stay in this frequency, the more your physical body must respond to the new signal. Your work in the field is done. Slowly, begin to bless your body. Bless every organ, every limb, and every breath. Bless your journey and the profound wisdom you have gained. As you prepare to return to your physical senses, do not leave this feeling behind. Carry the frequency of your new life into your day. Slowly, become aware of the weight of your body on the chair or the floor. Feel the air on your skin. Take a deep, intentional breath of gratitude. And when you are ready, bring your awareness back to the room and open your eyes to a brand new reality. You are healed. You are whole. You are new.